going to be a short video because we're just making a snack, but it can also be a breakfast. It's a typical breakfast in Peru, or in Lima at least. It's going to be pulverized avocado on toast. So, step number one, you just cut it right in half, get the seed out, and scoop that bad boy out of the shell. And then, step number two, pulverize it with a fork. This totally changes the flavor or the texture of it. If you just put it on the sandwich like that, it just doesn't taste as good. So we squirt in some lemon juice. Some people use vinegar. Lemon juice, I think it's healthier and it tastes better. Salt to flavor. Give that a good stir and a good mix. And then your choice of bread. We use wheat bread, toast it. When we're in Lima visiting, it's French rolls that are kind of hollow inside. Cut them right in half, stuff it full of this stuff. It's awesome. So healthy, nutritious, wholesome. There's no preservatives. This is an avocado off the tree. It's a lemon that we cut open and we add a little bit of salt to it. That's just for flavoring. Looks like a guacamole, but it's really not. You know, there's no onion, there's no tomato, there's nothing in there other than lemon, salt, and avocado. So enjoy that. This took us about 2 minutes to make this. Put the toast in, get this thing going, be ready about the same time. Enjoy. It's a great snack for kids. Our son he's been eating this for a year and a half, 2 years almost his whole life, and he loves it. He eats this on his own. It's one of the first things he started eating on his own. So if you're looking for a healthy alternative, here you go. And if you're trying to lose weight, it's a great option. So, okay, just showing you what we do with the toast, just to make it easier for our kid to eat. Just rip this off into bite-sized pieces, and then just take a dab and just spread it right on top. Cheese and crackers, but it's avocado. Super healthy, super rico. The kids love it. I love it. My wife loves it. I don't know anybody that doesn't like it. So give that a shot if you're having trouble with your kid eating or something. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.